We do not care.
Huh?
Look at those tiny legs go! He might only move it an inch, but his cardio session is serious business. When a perfect hiding spot gets ruined, angry meowing for strict and immediate social distancing.
I love you.
Running everywhere with continuous confused meows. Looking for something important, but nobody knows what it is. Refusing to wait for dinner because diving straight into the food sack hits different. Zero regrets even after getting caught. Fiercely guarding the toy rope. The loud meows make it very clear that teamwork is definitely not an option today. Trying to be a fierce predator with zero teeth. Sweet meows because this finger tastes like premium milk.
Aww.
Loud protest meows during the grooming session. Absolutely refusing the brush because the messy look is the best look.
Oh no.
So cute. So cute.
Making a simple feeding session look like a dramatic rescue mission. Hugging the bottle tightly is mandatory. Officially pushing the finger down. A mandatory safety rule enforced by the most adorable paw officer.
Whoa.
High-stakes border patrol action through the secret hole. A very fierce but adorable territorial dispute is officially underway.
Aww, so cute.
Ignoring all expensive toys just to play crazy with a random object. True happiness is completely free.
Wow.
Loud meows getting instantly canceled by mom. Getting picked up and placed right in front of the cozy spot.
Oh yeah.
stepping out in style with a perfect fancy bow, looking absolutely adorable while exploring the outdoors.
Wow.
Completely invested in this cute little battle with the fingers. Absolute adorable entertainment. Choosing chaos every single day with a friendly combat session on the floor. The cutest rivalry ever.
Do 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 do.
Eyes are closed, yet the spicy energy is fully unlocked during snack time. Absolute adorable behavior. Can barely walk straight without wobbling, but already practicing for the Grand Football Cup. Big dreams on those shaky legs. Aren't they absolute comedians? If they made you laugh, please hit like and subscribe for your daily dose of cute and funny kittens. See you next time!
Quack.